Nearly 100 injured in Gaza border protest. Iran seizes British oil tanker in Strait of Hormuz. Iran dunes Trump's remark on downing Iranian drone. Egypt foils suicide attack in Sinai. UN sent truckloads of humanitarian aid to Syria's Idlib. US sanctions Hezbollah operative over 1994 attack. Sudan opposition voices concern over power sharing deal. Sudan, 246 protesters killed since December 2018. Rohingya groups urge tougher US sanctions on Myanmar. 4 million people at risk in Bangladesh floods, IFRC. Anxiety in India or Afghan peace process. Judge asks to deliver Babri Mosque verdict in 9 months.